Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to be putting on some new hinges. The doors on the Mini, they are lined up. Everything's good to go. Got my gaps set straight, but I really wasn't happy with the old hinges. They're kind of notchy. The hardware is old, rusted, mismatching fasteners, Torx bits, posi drive bits. They're pretty bad. And you can even see how stiff they are. I can't even close them with my hand. They're pretty bad. What we're going to do is we're going to replace them with the DSN Classics. They're an aluminum hinge. They're really cool looking, but mostly they're very smooth, very lightweight, fantastic hardware with hex head fasteners. And there's even, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little brass spacer in between. The action is extremely smooth. It's a really nice hinge, but what else do you expect from DSN Classics? They got some really great billet parts. I've got mine in anodized silver. You can get them in all kinds of different colors. But today we're going to put them on the Mini. All right, I just wanted to give you guys a closer look. So these are the original hinges off of mine. They're pretty decent, actually. They're not in bad shape. They're just really stiff. And you can definitely tell that when you're opening and closing the door. These ones are a lot smoother. Go ahead and buy yourself some new hardware while you're at it. It doesn't come with these, but it does come with this hardware, which is going to mount up to the body. This hardware, you can reuse your old stuff if you want to, but if it's like mine, it's probably pretty worn out. It's not really great stuff. So go ahead and get you some new hardware. I got the posi drive set, and that should match the original hardware that was on the door. And we'll get them mounted up and see what they look like.
So guys, one of the cool things about these DSN hinges is that they come with half the hardware that you need. The important hardware, which is the side that goes into the sill panel. That's the part that's always rusted out, fallen out of the old hinges. That's what's wrong with mine, and that's why I got these. Alright, so what I chose to do is take the alignment off of my doors. It's already kind of where I want it to be, so I marked it with some blue tape. I did that on a few key points around the car, and then what I'll do is use a little razor blade and now I know where things have to line up. Should make things pretty easy for me. See side by side, pretty substantial difference there. Now I'm going to take the same shims that were on my old ones, put them on the new ones, because they should be just about the same thickness and everything, but we'll make sure I re-shim everything when it all goes back together. Alright, it's all cleaned up now. I just took some all-purpose cleaner, cleaned it off a little bit. You can see the old paint underneath there, which is still good to go. So since I don't have any rust poking through or anything, we'll just leave it like it is and mount up the new hinges with the new hardware. When you mount it up, just be careful. I don't know if you can see it. It does say top right there. So make sure you put it up top. Time to mount the door back up. Easier said than done, especially if you're flying solo like I am. But we'll get it done. Like I said, this is where that jack comes in handy.
Alright guys, thanks for coming out and joining me in the garage today. If you liked the video, hit the like, hit the subscribe. I really appreciate it. Leave some comments down below if you like these hinges or other DSN Classic things. I've got boxes of parts from DSN Classics that I got to put together. And there's another piece right over there on the engine that you're going to get to see. You'll also get to see the tiny little part that I forgot that is keeping me from putting it together. But that's coming up in another video. So stay tuned. Like I said, hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.